In this video, we will be replacing the high mounted brake lights on this 2008 Hyundai Elantra. While depressing the brake pedal, it is clear that the driver's side and passenger side brake light are working, yet the center middle high mounted brake light is not. Through the driver's side door, we can gain access to the trunk release lever. If we take a look into the trunk and identify the location of the brake light, we can follow the location of the brake light directly downward into the trunk. This will give us access to our brake light wiring harness. Inside the trunk, looking upwards at the location directly below that high brake light, we can see that there are a couple different wiring harnesses. The one that we are looking for is the wiring harness that almost looks like a plastic key. If we rotate this counterclockwise, we can unlock that light bulb and pull it out. At this point, we can grasp both the socket and the light bulb, and gently wiggling those apart, we can remove the old light bulb. After purchasing the correct bulb, we can compare our new bulbs to our old bulb just to make sure that they look the same. Additionally, we can look at the number on the old bulb and compare it to the number on the new bulb. As we install this bulb, we're going to be applying a small amount of bulb grease, and we're going to be installing it with gloves so that we do not touch the glass of the light bulb itself. The installation process is then done in reverse of the removal. Once completed, we can test that rear brake light. And this repair is now complete.